Hi, this is Savannah from CS Exotics, and you're looking at our newly acquired woma ball python. So as you can see with the woma ball python, they've usually tend to exhibit more orange hues on their head, although our ball python tends to have a little bit more of the golden hues. Perhaps not showing really well on camera, they'll also have lighter eyes, so they're not going to have the super dark or a golden eye. It tends to be like a bluey or a green pale eye, and they've also got a more pale tongue in contrast to your normal ball pythons. Additionally, there's an absence of the alien heads or keyholes as we talk about them, so we don't have any dark centers in the middle of her saddles. There tend to be blushing on the side instead of having more like those type of keyholes. We've also got this beautiful golden color that goes down her spine, which isn't always exhibited in your normal either. And we've got a generally patternless belly, although we do see some pattern on her. It's a lot less patterning than your standards. And as you can see, because the saddles are reduced, we can also see that we've got some cool dark banding, which is probably very similar to what we call the spider gene. Speaking of spider genes, we do have wobble occasionally in a woma. It can go from almost non-existent to quite severe, but you can clearly see that our woma doesn't have a wobble, so we're quite confident in keeping her and how we're looking after her. So that's something to be aware of, as well as knowing that breeding a woma to a woma is a lethal gene. So womas are generally either a full woma, nothing else with it, no hits, no nothing. Otherwise, you can mix it to other things to kind of blast up the pattern. So there you have it, our woma ball python.